Here's how my beautiful ADHD brain works. My beautiful and very patient wife has just asked me, what are we going to get the kids for Christmas? But I'm actually thinking about the second line in the song on the R. White's Lemonade commercial from the 1970s.
I'm a secret lemonade drinker. R. White's.
How that line, I'm trying to keep it upper, but it's one of those nights.
I'm trying to keep it up, but it's one of those nights. R. White's.
Doesn't rhyme with the first line.
I'm a secret lemonade drinker.
Of the song. And now she's asking me, what did I just say? And all I'm thinking is,
R. White's lemonade.
how did I get to the 1970s Lemonade commercial? But then I remembered that we both watched a documentary last night about the Pogues, Fairy Tale of New York, and one of the versions was produced by Elvis Costello, and Elvis Costello's dad was the session singer in the R. White's 1970s Lemonade commercial, I'm a secret lemonade drinker.
R. White's lemonade.
And now I can't remember what my wife said.
R. White's lemonade.
See, the lyric is, I'm a secret lemonade drinker.
R. White's. R. White's.
But then it jumps to, I'm trying to keep it upper, but it's one of those nights.
R. White's.
Only the R. White's bit rhymes because they've just repeated the word R. White's. I am calling this an ADHD dad win, but it's actually a dad delivers fail. Hit me up in the comments if you are or might be an ADHD dad. It'd be lovely to hear from you. It'd be lovely to hear your trains of thoughts, and thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps me to do something with this channel. I do appreciate it. If I can remember to actually edit and upload this video.